Hey everyone, this is Saucy the Towboat Chef. It's holiday season, and that means lots of good desserts, and holiday desserts. And I'm going to show you each and every one of them, not in this video, but in quite a few videos. Today, I'm going to be making homemade marshmallow fluff, because it's going to go with my peanut butter fudge and my peppermint chocolate fudge. Of course, those are going to be separate videos as well. But today I'm going to show you how to make homemade marshmallow fluff if you don't have any. And it's so easy. So let's continue, and I'll show you the ingredients for this.
Here in the U.S., we have almost 50,000 homeless veterans, half of which have disabilities. We can do better. Help Badge pay it forward to our vets by placing your order at herosoapcompany.com using coupon code BADGE at checkout. That's coupon code BADGE. By doing so, you'll be helping contribute to solutions that help our valued veterans. Help Badge do what he does best: help others.
I believe in the soap. I've tried it. It works awesome. And that's why I'm doing this.
Okay, here's the ingredients. I'm doubling the batch up because I need 4 cups. This would make, a regular batch would make 2 cups. So I got 2 egg whites at room temperature, 1.5 cups of corn syrup, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 cups of sifted confectioner sugar or powdered sugar, and 4.5 teaspoons of vanilla. I showed you in the order of which you're going to be doing this, and you need a hand mixer for this. So I'll be right back. Okay, first you start off by putting in the egg whites, the corn syrup, and the salt. You have to beat this at high. We'll start off slow, and then end up being on high for 5 minutes. So I'm sure you all don't want to hear this or see this for the full 5 minutes, so I'll probably speed this up and add some good old-fashioned rock and roll. So let's go. add the sugar, powdered sugar. Make sure you sift it because you don't want no lumps in this at all. Start out slow or you're going to have a sugary mess. It is going to get thicker here. See, it's turning into a marshmallow fluff here. See how thick it is? Make sure it's just incorporated. Alright, now, same way with the vanilla. Just mix that until it's incorporated. Do not over mix it. And do it on a slow. God, look how thick it is. I can feel it on there. That's marshmallow fluff. Be right back. That is good. I tried just a teaspoon, just make sure it tasted like marshmallow fluff, and it does. It does. I didn't want you to see because I had it all over my freaking mouth. Anyways, this is gonna go. This is going to go into my peanut butter fudge and my peppermint chocolate fudge, which you'll see in those videos later. Let this set for about 30 minutes. You can put it in the refrigerator because you want it a little bit more hardened like fluff. It'll fluff up. So, and it'll stay in the refrigerator for a week, and it'll stay in the freezer for 6 months. Just to let you know also. So, stay tuned for my other videos to come out. I'll upload them as soon as I can, due to the fact because y'all know my service is horrible on this river. If y'all want to see more of these videos and you're new to my channel, click on that subscription button and click on that bell, get notification. Also, leave me a thumbs up and a comment, introduce yourself. I would love to hear from you and I will welcome you to my channel. Let's see. I'm sorry, I'm a little dingy because I'm thinking of everything I got to do today. To all my loyal subscribers, you know I love you all. You've become very good, dear friends of mine. And I love interacting with you. Y'all just have an awesome day, and I hope you've had, because by the time you see this, I hope you've had an awesome Thanksgiving day. Okay, until then, I'll see you up the river, down the river, or down the road. Bye-bye.